what I'm doing wrong is I stop there, like that, with my thumb up. And what you're supposed to do apparently is stop with your thumb down like that. And then you can bring the paddle around to the front and paddle again like that.